Get ready to rev up your engines because Super Service is expanding. We're thrilled to introduce the newest member of our automotive family, Super Service of Pomona Valley, nestled right on Route 66 at 348 East Foothill Boulevard, Pomona, California 91767. Mark your calendars for September 1st, as that's the day when our doors will officially swing open. Our journey began in 2016 with Placentia Super Service, and in 2020, we proudly welcomed Super Service of Aliso, Viejo into our fold. Now, we're taking our commitment to exceptional auto care a step further with our specialized BMW and Mini service center. But don't fret if you don't drive one of these iconic European cars. We're here to provide top-notch service for all makes and models, whether European, Japanese, or domestic. Expect a warm and welcoming atmosphere at our new location, where friendliness and helpfulness are at the core of our service philosophy. We owe a massive thank you to our incredible friends and family for their unwavering support on this journey of growth. Join us as we embark on this exciting new chapter in the world of auto repair. See you at Super Service on Route 66, starting September 1st. Cheers! Andrew Bray and Bob Cornwall.